Got a little adventurous with a thirst for the off-road? If the footpath isn't enough for them, they need the UTV MX from Super Cheap Auto. Features include tough 4-wheel coilover suspension, gear lever with 3 speed selections, extra large tyres, working LED headlights and taillights, opening doors and bonnet, and an adjustable seatbelt for safety. The UTV MX is designed for children aged 3 and up and has a weight capacity of 50 kilos, while parental remote control can override the onboard control. Grab the UTV MX exclusively from Super Cheap Auto.